Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. If you're feeling worried about the future, depressed about the past, lonely, insecure about your body or finances, relationships, feeling self-hatred, or perhaps even joyfulness, know that you're not alone, that millions, if not billions, of people can relate. We're going to take some deep breaths for all those people, including ourselves, that may be suffering today. And see if we can come back to trust, back to love, not just for ourselves, but for this whole life, to appreciate all of the challenges, the pain, the mistakes, to have forgiveness, and to let go. That being said, getting comfortable, putting any distractions to the side, becoming aware of your space, aware of how you're sat, getting into a posture, rather that's lying down or sitting up, where you can be relaxed and aware. Natural for the mind to feel restless, allowing your mind to be all over the place, witnessing and welcoming the movement of thoughts, sensations, emotions, embracing it all like old friends. Gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, recognizing where in the body are you holding tension. Relaxing the feet, the legs, relaxing your belly, the chest. Relaxing the lower back, the upper back, shoulders, dropping away from the ears. Relaxing your face, letting go of all the tension in your face, to the point where your face becomes almost formless, like water. Opening your chest, opening the heart. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of the past. Letting go of the future. future, as you come into the present moment where everything is okay, more than okay. Breathing in, feeling your belly rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing all the little muscles in your shoulders. Letting go of tension in your hands and fingers. Bringing a smile as you breathe in. And breathe out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling trust. Exhale, feeling grounded. Breathing in aliveness. Exhale, feeling balanced. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling love for others. Breathing in strength. And exhale, feeling creative, inspired. Breathing in relaxation. And exhale, feeling peace. Inhaling slower and softer through the nose. Exhaling out the mouth. Relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing your eyes as you look in, witnessing and welcoming yourself. Heart space, coming into your heart, feeling more love, more appreciation for your flaws, your imperfections that make you human. Remembering that you're not a robot, that you're not AI. You're a human being, my dear friend, embracing that. Seeing the magic of that as you breathe in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. The color for today is a baby blue. The number is 32, and the animal is a gazelle. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, aware of your surroundings, aware of how you feel, aware of what you're going to do next, aware of your awareness itself. Love you, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me today in this special way. It's an honor to share this with you. I hope that it's helped you to relax, help you to come back to trust. One more deep breath for now. Hold. And exhale. Sending you a big hug across time and space. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of resources, an abundance of blessings, unexpected fortune, unexpected good luck, unexpected strength. Remembering that you have a reservoir of strength, that when you feel like I got no more in my tank, there's still so much more. You can do it. You can navigate these obstacles, these challenges. Stay light, stay grounded, stay playful. Play with these challenges and have fun with them. Enjoy the journey. It's not a destination, and if there was a finish line, it would be death. So take your time, have fun with your life, enjoy. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.